Hi everyone. Today, I will guide you on how to integrate drivers into Windows 10-11 installation media. You can see the drivers on my computer here. Now, I want to avoid having to install them after reinstalling Windows because it takes a lot of time. First, I will need to create a folder to back up the drivers to. I will name it Drivers. Next, I will open Command Prompt as administrator. Now, I will need the command to export the existing drivers on the computer. I will put the command in the description for you to copy. Set the destination to the folder you just created to back up the drivers. I have now finished backing up the drivers. The number of drivers varies for each machine. You can go into the folder to check the exported drivers. Now, right-click on the Windows 11 ISO file and select Mount. Please note the drive letter that was just created after mounting. Mine is E*. Now, I will use a command to check the versions available in the installation file. In the WIM file section, please provide the path to the install.wim file, which is located inside the Sources folder. You can see that it will output all the edition included in the installation set. Here, I will only work with the Pro edition. The index for Pro is 6. Now, I will separate the Pro version into a new file to make it more compact and lighter in size. For the source file, please enter the path to your original install.wim file. For the index section, I will fill in 6 because that is the Pro edition. For the destination section, please choose where you want to save the install.wim file for the Pro version. I will put it on drive D** for convenience. As you can see, I have successfully separated the Windows Pro version into its own new file. You can check it again. Now, you can eject the mounted Windows 11. Now I will create a mount folder to mount the install.wim file. For the ImageFile section, please select the location of the new install.wim file that you created above. You can see here that I placed the install.wim on drive D. For the MountDir section, I will select the location of the mount folder that I just created. I have successfully mounted the install.wim file. You can access the folder to check it again. Next, I will integrate the drivers into the mounted file. In the image section, please select the folder where you just mounted the install.wim file. In the driver section, please select the folder that you used to back up the drivers. We have successfully added the drivers. Next, we will need to unmount and apply the changes. For the MountDir section, you select the folder where you mounted the install.wim file. That's it. We are finished. You can go and check your install.wim file. Next, I will create a new Windows ISO file that contains this Windows version with the integrated drivers. I will use the tool AnyBurn. You can download it for free. select Edit Image File. Here, please select the original Windows 11 ISO file to modify. Go to the Sources folder, find the install.wim file, and delete it. Please click Add and select the install.wim file we just created. Now, please name the file and click Create Now. And there you have it. We have successfully created a Windows version with integrated drivers. Next, I will reinstall Windows using WinInt setup with the Windows ISO file we just finished creating. Now, I will open WinInt setup. I will select the ISO file we just created. Then select the Windows installation partition. Windows has finished installing. Now I will check the drivers. You can see that the drivers are already installed. If you like this video, please give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and share the video to look forward to more interesting videos about Windows. Have a good day.